Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will talk about Intel profiles available in Microsoft Defender XDR. Microsoft Defender Threat Intelligence, also known as MDTI team, has mentioned in their Microsoft Defender Threat Intelligence blog that they have announced that they are revealing previews for each of their 350 plus Intel profiles to all Defender XDR customers, and they have done it for the first time. Now, this will represent Microsoft's broadest expansion of threat intelligence content to non-MDTI premium customers. So there is MDTI premium and then there are MDTI standard customers. We will talk about when and how they have released it in the next series of videos. Now, they have added nearly 340 Intel profiles to Defender XDR customers, including over 200 tracked threat actors, tools, and vulnerabilities that Microsoft has not named anywhere else. They have revealed the full content for an additional 31 profiles, building on the initial set of 17 profiles released to standard or free users. And then Defender XDR customers can now access 27 full threat actor profiles, including new profiles like Prewinkle Tempest and Purple Typhoon. Now they have 13 full tool profiles such as Cacbot, Cobalt Strike, and 8 full vulnerability profiles including CVE 2021-40444 and CVE 2023-45319. Now let me log on to the portal and show you Intel profiles under the Threat Intelligence Blade on the Microsoft Defender XDR. Alright, I am logged on to the portal, so log on to security.microsoft.com. Okay, my session expired. Let me log on again. Oh yeah. Alright, let me do this. Now under Threat Intelligence, let it. You have this Intel profiles. Click on it. Now, Intel profiles are a definitive source of Microsoft shareable knowledge on tracked threat actors, malicious tools and vulnerabilities, curated and continuously updated by Microsoft Threat Intelligence experts. The same thing that I was talking about. See, 214 threat actors, 78 tools they have mentioned. I don't know why this portal is so slow today. Here it is. And then the vulnerabilities. Currently, the threat intelligence contains 205 plus named threat actors, 70 plus malicious tools. Okay. And then 75 plus vulnerabilities. They are 86 now. They have been updated. So this blog was published on 13th of March 2024. It's been around 2 months. And then they have increased the content here. Now in the Intel profile page, when you click on Threat Intelligence Intel profiles, the profiles which contain limited information are marked with this sign. If you click here, limited profile, this Intel profile contains limited information for free users. Upgrade to premium to see all content. Okay. However, don't let this symbol stop you. Each of these profiles contain the same detailed summary or the snapshot written at the start of the content for premium customers. Okay, now let's say it's a vulnerability. I click on it. Okay, now this gives the description about this vulnerability. So it is a valuable description of the actor's origin, activities, techniques, and motivation. And it would be same for premium customers as well as far as this description is concerned. Okay, now on tool and vulnerability profile, these summaries describe the malicious tool or exploit and illustrate its significance, right? So if you click on Intel profiles again, go back, threat actors, let's say I click on the first one. MS Rain is a Microsoft name of a Lebanon-based actor assessed to have ties to Lebanese Hezbollah. MS Rain primarily targets organizations in the healthcare, government, legal, shipping and transportation sectors based in or with ties to Israel. Have primarily exploited vulnerabilities in internet-facing appliances to gain access to targets and used a combination of custom and commodity tools to achieve their objectives. Okay, now this information enable leaders of threat intelligence and security programs to take an intel-led approach, starting with the threat actors, tools and vulnerabilities that matter most to their organization. So if I am a healthcare or a public health unit, I would first of all check all the threat actors which have a target as healthcare or government sectors or public healthcare, right? Now this Intel profiles contain full content and this can be distinguished from the limited profiles. Now full profiles can contain much additional detail beyond a snapshot. So if you see the full profiles, it would have real details from past threat actor activity. It would have detailed TTPs. So the TTPs, if I click on Aqua Blizzard, now TTPs are tactics, techniques and procedures. Okay, and attack path analysis based on both past and potential future exploitation attempts and their corresponding military attack techniques. So if you read tactics, techniques and procedures or TTP of Aqua Blizzard primarily uses spear phishing emails to infect targets. These emails harness remote template injection to load malicious code or content like this. So this is an example of Aqua Blizzard phishing email. Has inserted web bugs. Web bugs are small external image references that enable the actor to track a message when it has been opened and rendered. And these are kind of lure documents that this threat actor or technique uses to infect or to hack your system. Okay, if you scroll down and check for more Intel profiles or read description about it, you have detailed information. Now if you want to discover relevant profiles, now if you click on Intel profiles again and go back, each of the tabs for the 3 profile types contains a local search box. Here, right? Enabling us to quickly discover profiles of interest by matching keywords. And additionally, the threat actors tab enables us to filter for the country, region of origin and targets of those actor groups, which will help us to narrow the list down to the profiles that are most important to our organization. So let's say I click on target. Now with the inclusion of MDTI results in Defender XDR's global search page here, right? You also may use this top level search to discover Intel profiles from anywhere in the portal based on the keywords, right? Now, okay, now a short conclusion about Intel profiles. Intel profiles are Microsoft's definitive source of shareable knowledge on tracked threat actors, malicious tools and vulnerabilities. Written and continuously updated by a dedicated security researchers and threat intelligence experts. Intel profiles contain detailed analysis of the biggest threat facing organizations, along with recommendations on how to protect against these threats and IOCs to hunt for these threats within your environment. As the defender of 4 of the world's largest public clouds, Microsoft has unique visibility into the global threat landscape, including the tools, techniques, and vulnerabilities that threat actors are actively using and exploiting to inflict harm. Microsoft has a team of more than 10,000 dedicated security researchers and engineers who are responsible for making sense of more than 65 trillion security signals per day to protect all of their customers. Now it's been around 1 year. Intel profiles were launched at Microsoft Secure, which deliver crucial information and context about all the threats and actors. Now if you click on Akira ransomware, it's a tool, right? And you see it gives a detailed description about a tool, and there is a ransomware as a service blog as well from Microsoft. See, it has a reference to all the good information and documentation available. On different things. Alright, so this is what I wanted to discuss about Intel profiles today. If you have any further information that you would like to share with the rest of the world, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.